everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with Love from Scratch. Today is Sunday. Today I am cleaning. I am coming to you in my cleaning uniform, and I thought, what better time to show you how to make an all-purpose cleaner that is made with natural ingredients. And this is something that I use all the time. I use it to clean countertops, mirrors, windows, surfaces in my home. I know a lot of people might think that it's not going to clean your mirror perfectly, or it's not going to give it that beautiful shine like Windex does. I promise you it does the exact same thing. I use, as you can see here, microfiber cloths to do this, so I'm not creating waste with paper towel, but it is of course up to you. It will work just as well with paper towel as it does with a microfiber. So basically all you need to make this is white vinegar, water, and some essential oils if you'd like to just sort of increase the scent to something that is not just vinegar. And you're just gonna mix it into a spray bottle that you already have that's almost empty, or that is empty. I've pre-measured everything. I know this holds about 1.5 cups of water, so I've put about 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar into this little shot glass. Basically you want it to be 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and that's all you have to do. So let's just go ahead, I'll mix it up. Put the water in. And I will add my vinegar, and then I'll do like 4 drops of this essential oil. This one is called Sweet Orange, and then I will put this cap on, give it a little shake, and boom, you have a multi-purpose spray now that you can use all over your home. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I hope everybody has a really nice Sunday, a wonderful long weekend. Enjoy the sunshine, and I will see you next week.